Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. It is National Hot Dog Month, one of my favorite months, and we have a few different variations here we're gonna help you out with. Okay, so we have some of the best hot dogs that we have here in Western New York. We have some Salem's hot dogs. We have some of the best bread that we have here in Western New York. So we got some fresh bread from Tops. We have some good hot dogs. Grill them however you like. I like mine a little more on the brown side. For the first dog, what we have here is a hot dog chili sauce, the first layer. The second layer, I actually put some crumbled bacon that I cooked up on there. Then we have some shredded cheddar cheese. And then on top of that, we got a little fun with it. We got a little spicy with it and put some barbecue Fritos. But if your kids love Takis or anything crunchy, you can throw that on there. The second dog is for the vegetable lover friends that love a little heat. So we started out with some jalapenos. Then on top of that, we added some roasted red pepper. On top of that, we added some banana peppers. Pick any heat index that you like. I chose medium. On the third dog, we did Chicago-like hot dog, where we have some vidalia onions cooked down, and then we have some tomatoes on top. Now, feel free to add pickle spears or anything else that you like, but I chose vidalia onions and tomatoes. On the last one of my favorites, super simple but delicious, ketchup and mustard. Now, I chose the pickle spear. Some people like relish, but it's a texture thing. So on the last hot dog, we have ketchup, mustard, and a pickle spear. Either way, enjoy National Hot Dog Month and head over to wkbw.com/7life to get all of these different variations. Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Acme Cabinet Company and Clothes Mentor.